Yeah, and that business, getting the consciousness as a more, what we used to call in the old days, steady state. Say, I don't call it that because it's not a state, but say it used to be called steady state burner, steady state. It's like you have an enlightenment, and an enlightenment like that, and then eventually you have a steady state of enlightenment. But you see, dig it. If you think about a steady state of enlightenment, one might think, okay, now I'm going to float on the clouds, and I'm going to go around like Jesus, and I'm going to be such peace and love, and like that. So that's a really great state. Right? That'd be a nice state, but it's irrelevant to enlightenment. Freedom is relevant to enlightenment. See? But you could have like your you could be farting and picking your nose in steady state enlightenment, you know what I'm saying? It's not, has nothing to do with what you do or how you are. Well, no, of course not. But anyway, see, that's irrelevant to the matter. There's nothing to do with it. So if you look at, and once again, up for grabs, but you look at, say, Rinzai, for example, or different people over the years who are acknowledged as being deeply enlightened, if not completely enlightened, say, and they had many different personalities and approaches. Quite a few of them kick-ass kind of people, not nice, gentle people. They were in your face, kick-ass fireballs, not, what you would think of, steady state enlightenment. You know what I'm saying? See? And some I'm sure were. It's different stuff. It depends on the person they're doing. It's like I say, it's irrelevant to the matter. It's kind of like, it's a little weird, but it's kind of like, you're a hammer and somebody else is a wrench. Then when you get enlightened, you're still going to pound things and they're still going to twist things. Whatever wrenches do. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? It's what you do. Kind of thing.
Hi, I'm Brendan Lee, and I've been studying with Peter Ralston for 20 years. I really want you to know that no matter how many videos you watch or books you read, it pales in comparison to the power of the live workshops that we host here at the center or on Zoom. If you want to get serious and do work that makes a real difference, please check the links in the description to learn more. Thank you.